How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy who ate his women friends? Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me, slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal cannibal.
Something's creeping closer. There's no one left to find you. I'll take your place inside you. Thinking of wanting to get by. Something for your mind, 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 mind. Something for your mind. Welcome to Vegas, baby. I want you come and pay me. Give me the money, give me diamonds, give me rubies, baby. Take me on that trip. I wanna go shopping. Get on your knees and beg me, please, to let you in me. I wanna ride a Bentley. I wanna ride a Bentley. I wanna ride a Bentley. I wanna ride it. I wanna ride. 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 I wanna.
Now only dogs will follow me. Is he following? I bite at the hand that feeds me. Slap at the face that eats me. Some kind of animal.
Give me a pizza with extra cheese.
Extra cheese.
And hold the tomato sauce.
Hold the tomato sauce.
And hold the crust.
Hold the crust.
Hey, Jimmy, give me a cheese with nothing.
Nothing.
It's just a cigarette, and you cannot leave it alone.
Honey, don't you love me? I know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette, like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
Ashley! Look at me.
Let's do it. You need a cardboard, then cut it into a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 long pieces. Stick on 2 sides. Shut it down. Make 2 things. This tape to connect them together. Very good. Crumple the red paper, then stick it in here. Red color, take a bit to paint the mouth. This white to make the saliva. Now make the tooth. Paint it yellow, add some black. We need many teeth. Stick them all here. Kinda scary. Draw 2 lines of tongue. Cut. Okay. Put the skin tags. Take some black to make it dirty. Done the tongue. Now sketch the dragon. Like this. Paint the colors. Blue for the dots and horns. Black for all the face. And to go liner. Purple for the eyes. Marker next to the pupil. And to the corner of eyes. Some white sparkle dots here. Cut the scissors. Ta-da! Extra 2 fins. Now stick them to finish. Light for eyes. Fix it here.
Here I come, you can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you recommend. Most of you actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. I ain't wanna be with you. Come on.
I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah.
I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Make it
parte 2.
Just see my feeling. My feeling. Best friend. Killing it. No friends. Yeah. All these
I'm going in tonight.
she acting like an ex.
1, 2, 3. Think I got new kids. Don't tap out. Fight it.
I got delicious tissue. Women's up in the place.
But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me. How will I think of all the times you screwed me over?
My is missing you so hard. Makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you.
Spin the fucking bottle. If you the reason why it's empty, spin the fucking bottle.
Bottom jeans, boots with the fur, the whole.
Ready or not, here I come. You can't hide. Gonna find you and take it slow. Here I come.
Back in the 6th grade, I got the bad grades. I was in love with my tutor. See, musically, look what you struggling, man. Most of you actors, man. I ain't wanna be with you. Ay, I ain't wanna be with.
I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night.
Yeah, yeah. I need to know. I don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.